Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the essential pieces: icons, vectors, and reference images. Open CPM and create a new canvas at 1000 x 1000 px. Make sure to pick 72 degrees DPI for web or 300 degrees DPI for print. Import SVG or PNG files, then place them on separate layers so you can edit non-destructively. Once done, load your type choices and color swatches. You'll need hex codes ready. This speed setup. Now you construct the logo, trace or draw clean vector shapes with the pen and shape tools, and use Pathfinder to unite or subtract shapes for precise silhouettes. Make small adjustments with 0.55px strokes and snap objects to an 8px grid for consistent spacing. Once proportions feel right, group related elements and lock background layers so you don't move them accidentally. Make sure to test scaling. Zoom out to thumbnail view, then back in to refine anchor points and curves. Finish by exporting final files. Save an editable SVG, a print-ready PDF, and PNGs at 1x, 2x, and 3x for responsive needs. Test the mark on light and dark backgrounds and shrink it to 32px to ensure legibility. If edges look jagged or shapes separate, inspect anchor points and simplify complex paths. Sometimes Boolean operations leave stray points. When problems persist, undo to the last grouped state, rebuild the problematic path, and re-export. That usually solves broken geometry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.